It is an it is a 67 of I think, yeah, of wave 2 of coronavirus in Canada, and it is the 29th day, I'm guessing. Of 1,000 cases in a row. Wow. So today's record, it places sorta, because yesterday we had 1,824, so that placed in second place. So today's case is 1,780, so that slides into fourth place. You can see the numbers down below. I have updated it for you. So today's cases are hailing from 633 is from Toronto, 433 is from Peel Region, 152 is from York Region, and 94 is from Durham Region. Oh. So we don't see Waterloo on this list today, but so basically, if it's not from Toronto, Peel Region, York Region, or Durham Region, yeah, all other public health units in Ontario reported under 90 cases. So yeah, so the rest of Ontario is pretty much in danger. And the death number has gotten higher, with 25 deaths have been reported today, and I'm not happy to announce that. So, recap of the gray zone rules: the indoor dining and outdoor dining's not available. So, driving schools closed, except virtual classes are not available. Casinos and gambling, cinemas, film, television production is banned until further notice. Until the 28-day limit's over. Fitness centers and the meeting rooms and hotels are closed. So just the hotel service is only available, like room service, like not like not the accommodation that is available at a hotel. And personal care not available. Nightclubs and strip clubs, nah. So what they literally turned it into restaurants. So you can order takeout services from these places, and social gatherings of any kind is not allowed and households. So like large gatherings. So up to 10 is fine. Large numbers, no. So schools and child care centers, pharmacies, and doctors and dentist offices, because they're mandatory, they're open. Unless if coronavirus cases are severe. And real estate has a limitation that usual, and takeout is available at restaurants. And if a restaurant's website is not available, updated, or it said not available, something like that, you can go right to DoorDash.ca, and you can also look it up on Google Maps. It's going to be in the sidebars, the information about telephone hours of operation, and there's going to be a DoorDash link, so you can click that, and yeah, it'll lead you right into DoorDash, and the menu will be on there, and yeah, if it's available in your region. So do not socialize with others unless if it's an emergency. So yeah, because this is because large number of the people are like having gatherings and like hundreds, not like 10 or 20 people, like hundreds in the Toronto and Peel region. So that's why we are in struggling, and and there are people who are like complaining right now, business owners. Yeah, but guess what? It's the people's fault for having super large gatherings, which should not have happened. So today's hospitalizations. Oh. 674 people are hospitalized right now. Oh. The numbers are getting higher and higher. And so 207 of people are in ICU. Oh my. Now we're in the 200s now. And and 116 patients in ICU are on you know, ventilator, and ouch. I just hope these people recover. So, schools. Okay. This is from 776 schools. And out of the 4,828 schools in Ontario, this province. And this is from 5,266 school related cases. And 425 is from students, 753 is from staff, and unknown individuals. It's 1,888. Number hasn't changed. So this time 8 schools. So apparently some schools are temporarily closed in Toronto until further notice, and long-term care homes, 2,265 deaths. That's the number right now. And of course, the staff, that has not changed. However, the outbreak number in these places are increasing at 112 right now. Oh my. So we still have no news about if the business owners get to open the businesses again that are non-essential with limitations. So I do think go with the idea that there should be like limitations of customers inside a business at a time, and also curbside pickup, or you can order whatever what you want, and and pick up and just go. So that works, or delivery, because some businesses do that. So rural regions are asking like gray zone and red zone regions not to visit. This is still going on. So if you are in a gray zone or the red zone, which is Waterloo region, Hamilton, Halton region, Peel region, York region, Peel region, or Toronto, And also, like, yeah, if you just as a reminder, some places, just to name a few, is Prince Edward County, which is like just east of Port Open Coburg and west of Belleville and Trenton. Yeah, south of Peterborough. Yeah, and then also Muskoka. Up north near Lake Simcoe, and then also Collingwood, which is sort of in the Peel region, I believe. I think. So yeah, and also food donation. That if you can contribute, if you can so all you need to do is go to your local food banks and donate money or like food, non-perishable food items if you can afford it, and if you don't have a problem right now, and yeah. So today's rankings. Quebec's at a terrible 1,046, 532. Ontario's at a 125,233. Alberta's at 63,023. British BC's at 35,422. Manitoba's at 17,751, because Manitoba has experiencing a lot of coronavirus increases in cases, and yeah. So people in Manitoba need to really lower it. Saskatchewan, 9,244 in Saskatchewan, and Nova Scotia, Atlantic, so 1,343. Also in Atlantic, so coast, New Brunswick, with 520. Newfoundland and Labrador has not changed, with 340. Nunavut is now at 198. PEI is at 72. Still not changed. Yukon Territory is at 51. And Northwest Territories is at 15, unchanged. So, stay safe. Let's keep working hard to decrease the coronavirus safety rules, and support your local community by going to local food banks and donating food, if you can, non-perishable food items, if you can. Reminder, if you can. So if you are struggling, you can use the food bank. Yeah. Near you. So yeah. So stay safe, and avoid going to other places if you're from a high case area, and gray zone, red zone, and do check what color zone your region is in. Stay safe, folks. Let's keep long. Let's kick coronavirus right out of nowhere, so we don't suffer in early 2021.